Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amish Shahzad, and today my video is about this total station Leica TS09 Plus. And in this video, actually, I'm going to explain how we can check the height, how we can transfer the height or elevation with help of this total station TS09 Plus. Because in my comments, so many questions are there. How we can transfer the benchmark in the building one floor to other floor, or if we have electric tower or a building like a tower or H-beam towers. So in this case, if we have vertical things, how we can transfer benchmark with elevation, or how we can check the height. These are the things I'm going to explain in this video. So let's begin. So here I have a total station Leica TS09 Plus. Once we power on, this first display is same as you can see on my display. So for entering that option, we need to go number 2 in the programs. So when I bring the cursor on the program and then press OK, and then we have this option on the pages, so I can change the page from here. So on the second page there is a survey plus. If I enter the survey plus, there is an option number 7. This number 7 I will bring with these arrow keys, or if there is a number 7 writing, I'll press 7 key directly. Once I enter the press key number 7, so I'll enter that program. So once I enter remote height, as you can see, there is showing a one picture. There is a one total station, one tree, and there is a 2 red lines showing with the height. So they are writing for description: compute points directly above base prism, without prism at the target points. So for that one, if we already set the instrument, better we will use our coordinates. Set instrument mean we already have a station height and coordinates, or if we don't need to shift the elevation, we simply need the height, so we'll go to directly F4 for continue. So my case, there is actually this job have some more points, so that is a serial continue in 13. I will give some random number. For example, I give them the 1000 and then press OK. So here I need to put the height of reflector, mean what is the height of my target. If I put their prism, I will put the values of height. For example, in front of me there is a one wall, and you can see one laser light is there. If I need this elevation, for example, this is my benchmark on the wall, or otherwise if I have a prism, I set my prism on the point and I have the values. So I'll put their height of reflector. For example, I'll put there 1.3 and then press OK. After that, I have some more options: measure, distance, store. If I use the arrow keys, there is a more option, HR. What I need to HR for EDM. As you know always what is the EDM. So currently, if you see here, I have this house and direct point. It's mean my total station using a non-prism. For that one, in my last so many videos I explain how we can change. For example, if this is my touch screen is working, so directly I hit there, and here I have options how we can change the non-prism or tape. So in my case, I'm using non-prism, so simply I will press F3 for continue. And if you need to change, if your touch screen is not working, in this case what you will do, you go to F2 for the EDM, and then you have the same options. You can change the prism options or press this page key. You can laser on, guideline on or off. So these are the options you can use. So let's come on the topic. I'll press F4 again and go to my previous place. So here I have a HR. For example, I give the height of reflector. So what I will do, I simply press F1 for measure. So once I press the F1 for measure, so automatically my instrument store that points. That number is 1000 and the next number is 1001. And in this place, this instrument showing me a horizontal distance from the instrument to that wall. that is a 1.8 meter. Height of reflector, it's giving me a 1.3. And you downside, you can see there is a height. This height means the elevation. Once I set the instrument, that time I'll put the some elevation value. So based on that instrument height, instrument automatically calculate the height of that place. So it's mean based on the height of instrument, automatically it get the height of that place where I hit the prism. So for now my instrument is ready for remote height. If I use my telescope to upward, as you can see, if I use my telescope to upward, my values going are plus. So where I need my height, I will stop that and focus my target. No need to hit anything as I get the values. And if I go downwards, as you can see, this one instrument giving me a values downside until I stop this one. So if I need more, I will use my telescope downward. This one giving me a vertical height and vertical elevation. So in this position, this is the height of target from the point, and in this case this is the elevation what is showing there. For example, if I know that place, so I can use this point as a base. So I'll simply press F1. So he asked me what is your base point. Base point means your next point. So I'll measure then one with F1. So in this case I have a new point that height is 1.3 and the elevation height is different. So I can use this one same. For example, like me, I'm now using non-prism. I don't have any height, so I have a directly on that one. So I'll go to base F1, and then I'll go with this arrow key, press 0, because this is hitting directly to wall. It's mean excuse me. In this case, if I have an elevation on the wall, so I'll press the height of reflector 0 and then measure again. This is the first option. Second option, I'll repeat again. I will press the F2 key button with the distance. First, in this case, instrument showing me only horizontal distance between the point and the instrument. So what I will do, I will not go to F1 for measure, I'll go F3 for the store. So in this case is the same method. If I put the measure directly, or I will press F2 for the distance check between instrument and the target, and then F3 for the store. So this point automatically store, and then I can see my elevation. If I move, once I reach my target, that is showing me that result. There is if you see on the display, there is one more result. If I click there, I can use to change by the pressing this page button. So here you can see the coordinates, elevation, height. If you go to last page, you see that is 13.62 height. If you go to here, this means they are showing the point coordinates and the elevation and plus height. This height is coming from that place which one we measure for first time. So hopefully you understand how we can use the remote height and how we can transfer the height on the some other floor, or how we can check the distance, vertical distance between 2 points. So if you understand, please let me know with the comments. If you have any question related to this video or other videos, please ask me in the comments, and I'm trying to as soon as possible to answer your comments or any questions. And if you like this video, please like it, and also share to other person with the WhatsApp or Facebook. And also finally requested, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and when you subscribe my channel on the new person, please hit the bell icon. Once you hit the bell icon, then you receive my all new video notification. But if you did not hit the bell icon, you will not get my new video notification. So this is the confirmation. Hopefully you understand how we can use the remote height. So that's for today, and thanks for watching my this video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.